Hey guys, today we have Xiaomi Mi 9 SE as the leading actor. Supporting role goes to Miss Palma, Mr. Cactus-like, and Euphobia liconera. This is the plant with the character. When damaged, the plant secretes a white fluid which is toxic. Everything else abground. Let me show you how box looks like. This is the front, side, back. So guys, let's go. I will try to cut the foil with the knife as careful as I can. Do you know what you can use as a holder for video recording phone? Of course, it's books, folded map and advertisements from Budapest. And you know, firecrackers didn't fit to this task. See how great picture we're getting right now. I will cut the foil from the bottom of the box to prevent damage of this box. In the distant future, I will try to sell this phone. Easy, to not cut off something unnecessary from us. Let's put the knife to the side to not see it anymore. And this is the show time. You actually don't see it, but box slowly opening. So what do we have here? Let's see. You know, this phone doesn't have standard mini jack 3.5 input, so Xiaomi gives us such an adapter which has Type-C port from one side and mini jack 3.5 from other. What do we have here is some readings with the extra large font, so I recommend to read this when you have insomnia. You will sleep like a baby. Nicely packed transparent phone case. We will gonna see how it will look like on our phone. Oh, take a look at this beauty and at this blue with this violet gradient. I already see this phone is not that big, not that heavy, ergonomy is great, and I'll be able to easily operate this phone with only one hand. Let's put the case on the phone. Let's dig deeper. What do we have there? Charger. We can't grab it by force, so we have to do it smartly. Type-C cable, so we can charge our phone or transfer the data. And nothing more there. It's just box. Guys, I will tell you that I was watching a lot of videos, spent a lot of time searching, and I found Xiaomi Mi 9. It's a flagship phone from Xiaomi, of course, but this phone is too expensive for me, and I found this phone's brother Xiaomi Mi 9 SE for a lower price. It's not an advertisement or something, but I think this phone is excellent for its money, and this phone is not that big and heavy, so if you, like me, don't like to carry out some big and large things, I think you can take it. The only one question to this phone is the camera. So I'll attach some pictures and video recordings at the end of this video. And you will find pictures and video recordings captured by this phone at the bottom of this video in the description. And one more, camera of this phone goes beyond the phone's geometry. So I think you can use a thicker phone case or some sort of pocket case, for example, like my friend have. So that's it for now. Take care. I like slow motion camera a lot. This camera you can take video shots with the frequency up to 960 frames per second. Video quality is good, but there is no optical image stabilization, so you'll get shaky video when you move your phone around. For me, pictures made by this phone are great. Pictures taken in night mode are not perfect, but I think they are beautiful. Selfie camera is not perfect, but I think good enough.